All right. Good evening, everyone. So, good evening, Rakshita, Siddharth, and sorry for the delay. I had got some very urgent call. So, good evening, Pritesh. Good evening, KV Chetan, Monisha, Pradeep, Chaitra. Good evening, Chetna, Dvait, Ganesh, Adesh, Naren. Good evening, Lasya. Good evening, Basavraj, Sanjana, Abhishek. Good evening, guys. Good evening, Ashish. All right. Good evening, Viresh. Good evening, Neha. Good evening, Naren, Kishore. Good evening. So we are starting a new chapter, right? That is your amines, right? Good evening, Pratibha. So good evening, Gaurav. Good evening, Khushi. So we'll start with this chapter again. So what we are going to learn today. So we'll start with the introduction of this chapter, right? Ha, you can say that, Pratish. So the reaction mechanism, reactions and all you'll study last in this chapter only. After this, biomolecules and all you'll not study reactions, right? So this is, you can officially say it is kind of last chapter of organic. So if you take this, your amines, right? So if you take amines, what is the functional group? Functional group of amine, is RNH2. RNH2 is known as functional group of amine, right? When is your MT? Tuesday. So Tuesday you guys have MT, right? So Saturday we'll do a problem solving class on aldehyde ketones, right? Is that fine, Mohit? So Saturday we'll do a problem solving class on MT. Will that be fine? मतलब combined नहीं हो सकता ना, combined में I have to bring every chapter का question. You will have majority question from aldehyde ketones. So we'll do aldehyde ketones only. Right. So Tuesday is holiday, kya? I think Tuesday you have major test. Check. I don't think so. Sunday, Monday you may have holiday. Tuesday I think you have a test. Right? Pratham, what is that? Yes, we'll do only organic question practice. You'll have a Tuesday ko major test. So functional group is RNH2, right? MT with classes. There will be not classes, there will be only major tests. How can you people be so clueless? Or how can you be so brainless? How can you have classes with MT? It won't be. You'll have only MT on Tuesday. So now I know people will eat my head here. Syllabus is reduced, syllabus is reduced. There is no official syllabus reduction yet. Only government has said syllabus will be reduced by 30%. The final reduced effective syllabus is not released yet. You can expect it by the month of October 8. So if you see that way, since the last 2 months you are getting a reduced syllabus. 2 months you are getting that. So why are we talking now? 2 months you are getting the same thing. So we are talking about PU. So PU ka syllabus is not, it is reduced by 30%, but what is removed, it is not come yet. So the ones which you are sending here and there, that is 1 month, 1.5 months old thing. Okay? So Naren has also sent me one. Naren has also sent one PDF. I am getting that PU board ka PDF for past 1 month, not now. The same syllabus I am getting for past 1 month. So government has announced, yeah, it will be reduced, but final PDF is not released yet. Okay? So just wait. That's what I can say, Samriddhi, for you also. They said same as CBSE 9. They said they will remove some topics. For your information, PU and CBSE syllabus are not same also. You should know that, Ravi Giran. PU and CBSE syllabus are not same. Only books are same. ठीक है. अरे गोकुल, what should I say you? You wait. I'm telling you, wait till this month end. Don't. Monday may be a holiday, Ganesh. You just wait till this month end. Do not get to any conclusion yet. Okay? That's what I can say. Do not get to any conclusion yet. The syllabus which is available there, I am getting it for past 1 month. Okay? So just wait. So yeah. So your functional group is RNH2. What is your formula of amines? What is your formula of amines? So formula depends upon what type of amines you have. If you talk about, there are 3 types of amine basically. You can have a primary amine, you can have a secondary amine, or you can have a tertiary amine. Right? You can have any of these 3. Primary, secondary, tertiary. So if you take primary, secondary or tertiary amine, the formula changes. If you take NH2 and there is a 1 alkyl group on it, it is primary amine. If you take NH and there are 2 alkyl groups on it, it is your secondary amine, right? Neha, I am also saying syllabus is reduced. I am also not saying that syllabus is not reduced, right? I am also saying syllabus is reduced. You are again and again asking the same question. I am also saying it is reduced. I am not saying it is not reduced. But what has been removed, what has been kept, you need to wait for this month end to get a clarity on it. You will get this. WhatsApp is a big industry now. You'll keep getting multiple PDFs, multiple here and there. You'll get different things, right? So I would suggest you to wait for some time. In 1 week or so, things will become more clear. The PDF which we are getting now, I am getting it for past 1 month. That's what I can say you. So if it is reduced now, how PDFs came 1 month back? So the only I can tell you, I also know syllabus has been reduced by 30%. It had come in newspaper also. All Karnataka newspaper, this was the headline. I know that. But you need to wait to know what has been reduced, what has not been reduced, right? So please wait. Those PDFs, don't trust them now. That's what I can say. Okay, don't trust until government. I have not seen any official announcement from government. It has been in news, it has been in newspaper. If you see that way, newspaper and articles में Times of India में they are saying कि हाँ government will open in November, government will open colleges in this month. Did government made any announcement yet? No. So until government themselves make any announcement, you guys should wait. That's the only best thing you can do, right? So don't trust any sources now. We know it will reduce, but what is removed, what has been kept, wait till this month end. That's what I can say. Okay? It is a smarter thing to do. Now, if you take nitrogen and all 3 groups on nitrogen are alkyl groups, then you'll say it is your tertiary amine. Okay? Good evening, Keetan. Right. So now, no, secondary amine is not imine. Okay? Now, if you go to their IUPAC name, if you go to their IUPAC name, if you go to the IUPAC naming of all these amines, right? So first we will take primary amine. Primary amine, you have 1 alkyl group on NH2. So how do you name this compound? You will count the total number of carbon. After counting the total number of carbon, here, what you can do is, you can write the alkane part. After counting the total number of carbon, you can write alkane and add a suffix amine. Right? This is your suffix. Since your suffix starts with a vowel A, you should not write your E. So you'll remove E. So your name will become alkanamine. Your name will become alkanamine. your name will become alkanamine. Okay? Right. So primary amines will give you alkanamine. Right. Now, if you take the example, you can take the example of CH3, CH2, NH2. Now count the total number of carbon in this. There are 2 carbons, so you can write ethane, 2 carbon, ethane, and add amine after it. So you'll get ethanamine. You'll get ethanamine, right? Ethane ka amine is ethanamine. That is how you will name primary amines. You can take a screenshot. I'll be moving ahead after this. You can take a screenshot. I will be moving ahead after this. Right. So let's move ahead, guys. Yes. Yeah, kal ka notes are not uploaded. I agree. Will be uploaded, Pritish. All right. So if you take secondary amine, so your general formula of secondary amine is NH having 2 alkyl groups, R dash. NH having 2 alkyl groups, R and R dash. So what you'll do is there are 2 alkyl groups, right? So one alkyl group will be named as alkanamine and other alkyl group will be named as N-alkyl. So how to name this? What I would suggest you is, you'll write its name as N-alkyl alkanamine. N-alkyl alkanamine. Right? So you'll write alkanamine for the alkyl group which contains more number of carbon. You'll say larger alkyl group will form alkanamine. Larger alkyl groups, I mean more number of carbon. The alkyl group containing more number of carbon will be named as alkanamine, and the alkyl group which is having less number of carbon will be named as N-alkyl. So smaller, less carbon alkyl group. Right? This is how you will name it. If you take example, your example will be CH3, NH, CH2, CH3. If you take this molecule and try to name this molecule, right? If you take this molecule and try to name this molecule, so there are 2 alkyl groups here. One is 2 carbon, ethyl, 1 carbon, alkyl group. So larger alkyl group is this, smaller alkyl group is this. So larger alkyl group will be named as alkanamine, smaller will be named as N-alkyl. So 2 carbon alkyl ko you will write it as ethanamine. 2 carbon alkane is ethane, add suffix amine. So 2 carbon alkane ka or 2 carbon alkyl group ka, your alkanamine will be ethanamine. And nitrogen pe you have 1 carbon alkyl, small alkyl group is named as N-alkyl. So you'll write it as 1 carbon alkyl group is methyl. So N-methyl ethanamine is your name. N-methyl ethanamine is the name. Is that clear, everyone? Yes, everyone. Any doubt in the secondary name? Any doubt in the name of secondary amine? No. Right. If you take tertiary amine, why N is used? N is used to indicate nitrogen per alkyl group is present. If your alkyl group is present on carbon, it is by default. We don't show carbon per alkyl group is present. If your alkyl group is present on some other heteroatom, like nitrogen, oxygen, then you need to show ki nitrogen pe methyl is present. So CH3, CH2, NH, this is your ethanamine. In this ethanamine, nitrogen pe what is present? Methyl. So N-methyl. Okay? Their common names you can't write. If you want to write, you can write the common names also. What you do is you write the alkyl groups in alphabetical order. So ethyl, methyl, which comes alphabetically first? Ethyl comes alphabetically first, then methyl. So you write it as ethyl methyl, and then add suffix amine. Ethyl methyl amine is the common name. Okay? Similarly, if you want to write the common name of primary amine, common name generally is alkyl amine. So you have 2 carbon alkyl group here. So ethyl amine. You can name it like this. Common name. Okay? Now, coming back to tertiary amines, you can take the example of N, R1, R2, R3. There are 3 alkyl groups now, right? So 3 alkyl group present on nitrogen makes it a tertiary amine. Now, how would you name it? Let us take the example. If you take nitrogen with methyl, ethyl, and propyl. Methyl, ethyl, propyl. Right? So again, largest of all of them will be named as alkanamine. Alkanamine will be for largest, and all other alkyl groups, other 2 alkyl groups will be named as N-alkyl, N-alkyl. You will name it as N-alkyl, N-alkyl. So its name will become N-alkyl, N-alkyl, alkanamine. Alkanamine for largest alkyl group, N-alkyl, N-alkyl, you can represent other 2 alkyl groups. For example, in this, the largest one is 3 carbon alkyl group. So alkanamine for 3 carbon will be propanamine. So this becomes propanamine, right? So you'll get propanamine. And on nitrogen, you have methyl and ethyl. So you'll write it as N-methyl, N-ethyl. N-methyl, N-ethyl. Okay? This is how you will name them. Correct? You can, if you want, you can write it as N-ethyl, N-methyl also. It will not make difference. Alphabetical order here does not make any difference. Okay? It does not make any difference, Pritesh. If you write N-ethyl, N-methylamine or N-methyl, N-ethylamine, both of them represent the same structure. It will not matter. I have already answered it. Whether you write it alphabetically or not, it will not matter. It will get the same structure. Okay? N-alkyl should be written first. Doesn't matter. I told you, right? You can write any of them. It will not matter. Now, when you write common name, then you have to write alphabetical order में alkyl groups. So one alkyl group is ethyl, other is methyl, and then propyl. So 3 alkyl groups, name them alphabetically. So methyl, ethyl, propyl. Which comes first? Ethyl, methyl, then propyl. And then add a suffix amine. Right? So this is how you name primary, secondary, and tertiary amine. Anyone having any doubt in this, please ask. This is a basic nomenclature of primary, secondary, and tertiary amine. If anybody has any doubt in this, please ask. Right. If you talk about aromatic amine, benzene pe NH2 is known as aniline. All of us know this. Benzene pe NH2 is known as aniline. For benzene derivatives, we can use the other name. We can use the same nomenclature, NH2, third position pe. So you have 1, 2, 3. NH2 has higher priority. So it will be named as aniline. On third position, you have methyl. So you can name it as 3-methyl aniline. Right? You can write that Chaitra. You can do that also. Then if you have something like this, what will be name of this compound? What will be name of this compound? What will be name of this compound which I have drawn? What is the name of this compound? which I have drawn. Yes? What have you written, Chaitra? Yes. Atha, very good. Now, in this case, your parent compound is not aniline because among NH2 and COH has more priority. So this compound will be named as benzoic acid. This will be named as benzoic acid. COH has higher priority. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position pe amine is there. So benzoic acid, benzene pe COH is benzoic acid. And fourth position pe you have amine, it will be named as prefix. So it will become 4-amino. So 4-amino benzoic acid is its IUPAC name. Common name you use ortho meta para. So ortho meta para. So para-amino benzoic acid. So its name will be para-amino benzoic acid. Right. So this is your common name. Right. So let's move ahead. Let's move ahead to a question on this. You know the representation. Now your question is this. If you have this molecular formula, how many primary amines you can write with this molecular formula? Try to write all possible primary amines with this molecular formula. Try to write all possible primary amines with this formula. Solve it. Do not guess it. You need to write all the possible primary amines with this formula. Remember that. How many primary amines are possible with this formula? You can try writing all. I think people have answered it correctly. So most of the answer which I have got so far is correct. Ravi Kiran, check your answer again. Neha Joshi, only one. How only one, Neha? PK is right. Naren Adesh, check your answers. One is right. Chaitra, Sanat, all of you are right. Chalo guys. Vijeta obviously is right. Vijeta, where are your dragons? Vijeta, where are your dragons? Chalo, let's end this on a count of 3, 2, 1. So let us end this now. Right. So how would I write this? Obviously 4 carbon. Primary amine, so NH2. 4 carbon, 1 nitrogen, 2 hydrogen are done. 4 carbon, 1 nitrogen, 2 hydrogen are done. 9 more hydrogens are remaining. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So butane amine. So one molecule is butanamine. One molecule is butanamine. Now write its chain isomers. If you write its chain isomer, bring this methyl group here. Right? What you will get? This is H. So let us write it in the form of condensed form. This is CH3, CH2, 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 NH2. Now bring this methyl here and write its chain isomer. It will be CH3, CH, CH2, NH2. You'll get a CH3 here. Correct? Now do the following. Rather than writing like this, You can write it like the tertiary butyl. So this is secondary alkyl group. Now you can write it as tertiary carbon also. Right? That means something like this. NH2. So this is also same. So 1, 2, 3. Now this is one amine. Put NH2 here. You'll get secondary amine. Not secondary amine. Propane 2 amine. Take NH2 here. If you take NH2 here, you will not get 3 amine. Right? This is butane 2 amine. You must think if you keep this NH2 here, it will become 3 amine. No. If NH2 comes here, numbering will start from here. 1, 2, 3. It is still butane 2 amine. So these are 4 compounds you will get. So total 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 compounds are possible with this molecular formula. We are taking primary only, Pritesh. Pritesh, we are taking primary only. Pritesh, we are taking primary only. All of them are NH2. Cyclic कैसे होगा? Take this 4 carbon, C4H8. C4H8 is cyclobutane. If you remove one hydrogen and put NH2 here, so you'll get C4H7 plus 2, 9N. C4H9N you'll get. In cyclic you'll get this, Pritish. C4H9N. ठीक है? You left first structure only in rain. NH2CH. Acha. It is possible? Let us see. Adesh says this is also possible. Adesh says it is possible, Adesh? इसीलिए कहते हैं पहले सोच लो, then you say anything. We can take secondary amines. They have asked only primary amines. Shreya. They have asked only primary amines. ठीक है? चलो, let's move ahead. Yeah, anyone having any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this? So where did you send them, Vijeta? Where did you send them? To buy sweets for you? Or to buy crackers for you? चलो, why not option C? अरे option C 5 है ही नहीं तो क्यों होगा? Apart from these, there is no other possible structure for this molecule. Sir, bring me the fifth one. After rearranging second. हाँ, second को rearrange करो. Where you want to keep? Where you want to keep this? If you keep it here also, what will you get? You'll get 1, 2, 3. Acha, let us see. If you keep one methyl here, this one, then you'll get 1, 2, 3, 1 methyl propanamine. This is 1, 2, 3. This is also same 1 methyl propanamine. So if you try to bring this methyl here, you'll get this compound only. These two will be same. Okay? With optical, it is optical to consider ही नहीं करना है Pritesh. On second place. If you keep it here or if you keep it here, how does it matter? Your longest chain still will be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How does it matter, sir? It will still remain same. Right? It will be still be same, sir. Yes. What they went to buy? What they went to buy, Vijeta? Chalo. Let's move ahead. Amine group place there then. Arey mere bhai, where you want to place? If you place this amine group here, then this NH2 will come here. Then CH3 will be CH3, CH3, CNH2. CH3, CH3, CNH2. same only. Athar. क्या तुम लोग? Right. So yeah, I hope there is no doubt in this. I hope there is no doubt in this. We are moving towards preparation of amines, right? We are moving towards preparation of amines. First one is reduction of nitro compounds. Reduction of nitro compounds. This is very, very important. So if I take nitroalkane, right? If I take nitroalkane and treat it with any of the following, you can take LiAlH4 or you can take H2 nickel, or you can take metal in acid, FeHCl, metal in acid. All of them will convert your RNO2 to RNH2. All will convert your nitro group to NH2 group. Reduction is addition of hydrogen. Remove oxygen, add hydrogen. This is your reduction, right? So nitro group on reduction gives primary amine. Right? It gives primary amine. Similarly, you can do the reduction of cyanides. Cyanides also on reduction with LiAlH4, H2 nickel, and sodium in ethanol. Sodium in ethanol. If you use any of these three, so reduction is addition of hydrogen, break the bond and keep adding hydrogen. So you'll get RC, H, H, N, H, H. So you'll get RCH2 NH2. RCH2 NH2. Last wala is Mendes reduction. We have done it before also. So these are the different reducing agents which you can use for reducing cyanides and nitro compounds to amine. Okay? Please take a note of it. I'm moving ahead. Yeah, last one is called Mendes reduction. Please make a note of this. I'll move ahead. Please take a note of this. We'll move ahead. Yes, I hope you have noted it. Next, what else you can reduce? If you take RCONH2, amide. Amide, if you treat it with strong reducing agent like LiAlH4, so how it gets reduced? Removal of oxygen, like Wolff-Kishner. Removal of oxygen, addition of hydrogen. So removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen will also give you reduction reaction. Okay? So amides on treatment with LiAlH4 can give you amines, primary amines. Right? Apart from all these reducing agents, you can also reduce small groups. Like you can use reduced azides, you can use oxines, right? So all nitrogen containing functional group, if you reduce them, they will give you RNH2 only. Okay? And this will be RCH2NH2. So basically what I'm trying to say is all nitrogen containing functional groups can be reduced to your amine. Right? So this is all you need to know, different types of reducing agents to reduce your nitrogen containing compounds to amines. Please check this carefully. If there is any doubt in this, please ask. If there is any doubt in this, please ask. Check all the reagents carefully. Yes, please check. There should be a 2 equation. I have written 2 only. I have written 2 only. टू इक्वलेंट क्यों? Why two equivalent? First wala, why you need two equivalent? Right. Check it again, Pritesh. You can say that, Pritesh. Now we are moving towards aromatic amines. So there are a lot of reducing agents you can use. There are a lot of reducing agents you can use, but best reducing agent for reducing your nitro to amine is tin HCl. So tin HCl is only used for converting RNO2 to RNH2. So its specific role is to convert, tin HCl can convert RNO2 to RNH2. This is very, very important, right? So tin HCl is highly specific and its function is to reduce only NO2 to NH2. Please take a screenshot, we'll move ahead. So this is the best reducing agent among all. Because it reduces, it is highly specific for NO2 to NH2 reduction. It is highly specific for NO2, right? No, it does not reduce anything else. You can assume that, Ravi. Let's move ahead. If you take, for example, there is one very important one. If you treat nitrobenzene with LiAlH4, it will not reduce your NO2 to NH2. It will convert your NO2, coupling will take place in fact. N double bond N benzene. You will get azobenzene. Correct? So LiAlH4 will not reduce NO2 to NH2. In fact, coupling will take place and you'll get this product. So if you want to reduce NO2 to NH2, you should use tin HCl. Tin HCl can reduce NO2 to NH2. Its job is only to reduce NO2 to NH2, right? I didn't get your point, Athar. So I am doing that only. No, sir. Athar, I am doing that only. In fact, I have done more than that. Have I missed anything? I don't think so. I think so I have covered most of them. Chalo. So remember this is extremely very important. So aromatic amines ke reduction ke liye, the best reducing agent you can use is tin HCl. Remember that. Okay? Can we use alkyne KMNO4 to get azobenzene? Alkyne KMNO4 is oxidizing agent, Chaitra. Why will you use that? Alkyne KMNO4 is oxidizing agent. Why you will use that? Now, one very important, I forgot its name. If you have something like this, generally people ask this. There is a name for this. I forgot the name of this reduction. If you take meta-dinitrobenzene or 1,3-dinitrobenzene, right? And if you want to convert it into this NO2, only one of the NO2 should get converted to NH2. You want to reduce only one of the NO2 to NH2, not both of them. Then how will you reduce? Because tin HCl can reduce both of them. Because tin HCl do not have, because this tin HCl ke liye both of them are equivalent. Then how would you use? No, it cannot be done by equivalents. For them, because that one equivalent can reduce any of them, right? Or the reaction is difficult to control, it may reduce both of them also. Now, the best way of doing this is treat it with a reducing agent called tin, not in acidic medium, in the presence of Na2S or NaHSO3, right? You can use any of this, or even you can use ammonium hydrogen sulfide. Any of these you can use with tin, right? So you'll use this, any of these reducing agent you can use to convert one of the nitro to NH2. I'm forgetting the name of this reaction exactly. What was the name of this reaction, right? There is a very good name for this. I don't know. Like, I'll tell you tomorrow. There is a specific name for this reaction, right? But this is very important. Please keep it in mind. Chaitra, you still didn't tell me why you use alkaline KMnO4 from this to this. If you have something like this, in this you may even get diazobenzene in this reaction, hydroazobenzene. This is also obtained as product. This or this can further get oxidized to this. Both of them are obtained. Okay? Both of them are obtained. Yes. Anyone having any doubt in this, please ask. Anyone having any doubt in this, please ask. Check carefully all the reducing agents. Basically, yaad rakhna, any nitrogen containing compound can be reduced to amine, right? It is the oxidizing agent, no Chaitra. We are discussing reducing agents. So you have to reduce, not oxidize. If you want to oxidize this hydroazobenzene to azobenzene, then in that you can use. Okay? Chalo, let's move ahead. We'll do a question on it. Very easy question. You can see a question in front of you. It involves haloalkane haloarenes ka reaction, then the reduction reaction. So quickly choose the correct answer and let me know what is the correct one. Arey Ravi Kiran, where were you sleeping? Ravi Kiran, what did I wrote here? Aromatic NO2 with LiAlH4 will give you azobenzene. It will not reduce NO2 to NH2. लिखा तो है यहाँ पे. To reduce aromatic NO2 to NH2, we need 10 HCl. I have mentioned it clearly here. No, Ravi Kiran, no. No. In this, check the answer. What answer you will get? This is an easy question, so I'll give you 1 minute only for this. Since it's an easy question, we'll give you only 1 minute for this. Since it's an easy question, we'll give you only 1 minute for this. It's a CET type question. I would say it's a CET type question. Aniruddha, Adesh, everyone is right. Ganesh, check your answer again, Ganesh. Sorry, Ganesh, you are right, Ganesh. Sorry, Ganesh, you are right. Kishore is right. Chalo. So we'll end this. Very good, Pratiksha. Very good, Mohit. Very good, Chirag. Chirag, call me at 7:15 today. Chirag, call me at 7:15 today. Chalo. So let's end it, guys. So we'll end it on a count of 3, 2, 1. Let's end it now. Yes. Neha, what do you think your answer? Yes, Neha. What do you think? What's your answer? Neha? because you have not done first chapter kya. So if you treat alkyl halide, very important, if you treat alkyl halide, my question is this one. Alkyl halides on treatment with AgCN, what will you get? Alkyl halides on treatment with AgCN, what will you get? This is where everybody has done it wrong. This is wrong. You will not get cyanide. You will not get cyanide. Rx on treatment with KCN gives cyanide. This is where everybody has done it wrong. With the KCN, you get Cn minus nucleophile, halogen goes out, X minus, R gets positive charge, Cn minus attack R plus, you get RCN. But with AgCN, it is a covalent compound. It does not ionize to give you Cn minus. We have done this. So who will attack? Nitrogen will attack with a lone pair. So R will bind with N. So you'll get R, N, triple bond, C. This is correct. You'll get isocyanide. You'll get isocyanide. Now nothing, do the hydrogen addition. So R, N, C, H, 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 H. You will get this. Now what is your R group here? CH3, CH2. You have a 2 carbon alkyl group. So replace, so your answer will become 2 carbon alkyl group. CH3, CH2, N, H, CH3. You will get this. Okay? CH3, CH2, NH, CH3. That's option B. So option B is correct. So you'll get isocyanide. Isocyanide on reduction will give you secondary amine, not primary amine. Is that clear, everyone? Very easy question. It's a very easy question. Now you understood, Neha? Yes, it's a very easy question. Any doubt in this, anyone? So this is from haloalkane, haloarine. This is from this chapter. Bhai Pritesh? Pritesh, you got it? Yes. Pritesh का normal usual reply. कितना easy question है ना? It's so easy question, still most of you did it wrong. Imagine. That is what happens in exam. Chalo, let's do this one. Let's do this one. Logically, you think H2 nickel is given. You think logically, and H2 is given. Okay, वैसे this is not a question of here. It's a question of amines. But I'm just telling you, if H2 nickel is given only, how would you identify this? Be logical enough to answer. मतलब ये क्वेश्चन अभी हमने रिएक्शन ऑफ अमाइंस में करना है, but still we can think logically and answer this. Yes. Be logical enough to answer this. Check all the options carefully, you'll get a hint. Check all the options carefully, you'll get a hint. Yes, so you have 1 more minute for this. This also not a tough question. So you should be able to do it. Pratibha, Adesh, Ganesh, all of you are wrong. Basan Gowda is wrong. Sagar Gowda Patel is right. Netra, check again. It has some reaction of previous chapter also. Now Aishwarya, Ganesh, Priyadarshini, KV Chetan are right. Gokul is right. Chalo guys, I am going to end this now. So I am ending it on account of 3. I am ending it on account of 3, 2, 1. Let's see this now. Very good, Kishore, you are right. Now, can you tell me, have you studied this reaction in aldehyde ketones? Carbonyl compounds on treatment with amine, what do you get? What do you get? What do you get? When amines are treated with carbonyl compound, you eliminate water and you get something like this, RC double bond N Z. Correct? Simple. Remove water from here. Remove water from here. If you remove water from here, this carbon will bond to this nitrogen. So you'll get a ring. How many membered ring you'll get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll get a 6 membered ring. So when you eliminate water here, between this carbon and nitrogen, there will be a double bond. Correct? So you'll get a 6 membered ring. So after elimination of water, you'll get something like this. So between this carbon and this nitrogen, there will be a nitrogen here. So between this carbon and nitrogen, there will be a double bond. Correct? Now H2 nickel you add H2 nickel, break the pi bond, add one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here. So you'll get what? You'll get H here. So your product is this. That is option C. Again an easy question, no? Yes? Very good, Neha. It is from last chapter and this chapter both. Again and correct and easy question, no? Very easy, na? Very easy. So this is secondary amine. This is secondary amine because of NH. ठीक है? Organic में जब तक practice नहीं करोगे, जब तक कुछ नहीं होगा. The moment you see amine, the moment you see aldehyde ketone, you should remember this. What you have done here. ठीक है? Is that clear, everyone? Anyone having any doubt in this? Please ask. Anyone having any doubt in this? Please ask. Yes, guys. Anyone having any doubt in this? Please ask. No doubts, right? So next one is reductive amination. Next method of preparation is प्रदेश न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन में कहां हीट मेंशन होता है? कुछ भी. Reductive amination. So what is reductive amination? This is same what we were doing so far. Shut up, Pradesh. So reductive amination, if you take a carbonyl compound, try to react it with ammonia, let us say. This is what just we have done. This is what we have done so far. Just now we have done a question on this. You'll eliminate a water molecule and you'll write imine. Okay? Now you'll get a imine. If you treat it with H2 nickel, nothing, break the pi bond, add hydrogen here, hydrogen here. You'll get RCr, H, NH, H. So you'll get NH2, primary amine. You'll get primary amine. But remember, this is reducing agent you can use, but there is a specific reducing agent for this reaction which reduces only imine. So you have imines, right? If you want to reduce only imines, you can use a reducing agent called NaBH3CN. So NaBH3CN. Sodium borohydrocyanide. This is your NaBH4CN, sorry. NaBH4CN. This is the reducing agent, only reduce imines. Only reduce imines. Okay, this is a better reducing agent you can use. Now, if you take R here, R here, R here, then you'll get secondary amine. Okay? If you do the same reaction with NH2R, you'll get R, R, C double bond NR, reduce it, you'll get R, R, H, NH, R. So you'll get a secondary amine. Right? Can we prepare secondary amine by this? No, we cannot, Shreya. Can we prepare tertiary amine by this reaction? Can we prepare tertiary amine by this reaction? No. To prepare tertiary amine, you need to take two alkyl group here. Right? And if you take two alkyl group, how will you eliminate water? You will not get imine. If you take secondary amine here, RR, you will not get imine. You will get enamine, stock enamine reaction, which we have done so far. We have already done stock enamine reaction. Please refer. Okay, so you cannot prepare tertiary amine by this method. Right? So tomorrow we'll discuss this Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. I'll give you the structure of phthalimide. So your phthalimide is benzene. What is phthalic acid? I told you yesterday. Phthalic acid is benzene pe COH, COH. If you react it with ammonia, NH, H, H. Eliminate water molecule, eliminate water molecule. So this CO will bind to NH, this CO will also bind to NH, and you will get benzene pe C double bond O NH, C double bond O NH. This is your phthalimide. This is I actually, phthalimide. Okay? So this phthalimide is used for the preparation of amine. How we will discuss it in tomorrow's class. Okay? You can see this, Naren. This is your last slide. Yes, Naren, this is your last slide. Noted, Naren? Last slide of class is this. This is your last slide of class, Athar. So we'll discuss this reaction tomorrow, but let me tell you, this is very, very important reaction. For boards also, you can get it for 2 marks in boards. And JEE NEET mein to important hai. This is very important. What do I mean by reduces only imines? Means it will reduce only imine, no other functional group. It is highly specific for this thing. It is highly specific for imine. I'll do that tomorrow, sir. Don't worry. Pura organic I will give you together. Pura organic I will give you together. Don't worry. So let's move to your Kahoot. So guys, your game pin is 6145706. This is your game pin. 6145706 is your game pin. Vismay is always the first one to join. Vismay, you are always waiting for this, right? Vismay is always waiting for this. If I ask any question to Vismay in the class, Vismay will be like, I am not there in the class. The moment I share the game pin, I see Vismay first of all in the class. Chalo, let's start this. So what can you guess the today's Kahoot topic? Meanwhile, people are logging in. Can you guess today's Kahoot topic? It is something which you can never expect. It is something no, Sanat, no. No, Vismay, of course not. You can guess. No, Gaurav. I am waiting, Kavya. So what can be today's topic? No, Prasiddhi. Definitely not. I will definitely think about doing it, but not today. It's not on me also. It's not on Tarak Mehta also. Good guesses though. Random भी नहीं है. चलो, it is on one of the state of India. Rajya. One of the Sinchan we have already done, Pritesh. One of the states of India. Which can it be? Karnataka we have already done. So obviously not Karnataka. Soumita, you are right. So I can tell you this state is very much in news nowadays. This state is very much in news nowadays. Now you should get it. Yes. Now everybody got it. This state is in news nowadays. Which state it can be? अरे no हाथरस नहीं. अबे elections है ना बिहार में. It's on Bihar basically. So my title of the Kahoot is very justified. So I'm starting the Kahoot now, guys. I hope everybody has joined in. Ankita is in last. So why this title? Preksha, you're still not in. There is Ankita Vijay, then there is a AJ also. So Preksha, are you in? Preksha, are you in? Neha is also waiting, me. You know why? If you see the history of Bihar, you will be like, it was so great. You will get to know a lot from today's Kahoot also. Joining with the names. I didn't get you, Abhishek. Okay, got it, Abhishek, got it. Got it, Abhishek. Chalo, Neha Joshi is in. Let's start. Trisha is in. Let's start. You might know something, you might have to guess something. So it's on Bihari, basically, opposed to reckon with. Matlab, it was one of the biggest kingdoms in country before. Magad, basically. History, literature, art, everything was there. So in which year Bihar was carved out of Bengal residency? Thoda logical question hai. Even if you don't know, you can guess it. Calculated guess is possible in this question. By the question itself, there is a big hint in the question. In which year it was carved out? Yes. People are literally mad. If they were logical enough, Bihar existed before the independence also. Right? So the correct answer is 1912. You cannot be answering 1948. Right? There was a battle of Buxar, if you remember. Battle of Buxar, all these things. It was a part of Bengal residency initially. Okay? All the indigo farming, opium farming used to happen in these states, Bengal and Bihar. Right? Next one. Basavraj, Justin, Suhas, Parinita, Chaitra in top 5. I'm expecting new winners today. Let's see. Mahavir, the 24th and the last Tirthankar of Jainism, was born in which city? All these cities are cities of Bihar. Nalanda was the old name. Lumbini. Patliputra is but basically Patna. Patna is also known as Old Patliputra. Patliputra was the capital of Magad, if I remember correct. Bad guess, Pranav, bad guess. It was in the city of Vaishali he was born. I hope you remember Mahavir, you know, Jainism, that. I hope you remember. Yes, Suhas K on top, Chaitra, Parinita, Varsha, and somebody with roadies is in top 5. You got confused with Buddha, kya? Obviously, Adesh, you should know. If you don't answer this correct, Adesh, you find some place in Unkal Lake. Stay there. Next one. Which flower is, this is a very basic question. If you know it, you can know. If you want, don't, you can guess. Which is considered as the state flower? Which flower is considered as the state flower? Obviously, Mahavir was one of the participants. Naren, you are bingo, man. Very good. I am surprised to know this. How many of you know this? This is a surprise for me. Many of you know this. I was not expecting this actually. Maybe a guess. Maybe everybody is a guess. Next. Maybe color is a code. I also give a clue. Chaitra R, Varsha, Ashrit, Basavraj, Justin in top 5. I was telling you will get a different top 5 today. I told you will get a different top 5 today. Next, besides Hindu and Urdu, which one is the official language of Bihar? Remember language. Acha. So, which one is the other official language? I can only tell you it is one of the oldest languages in our country. One of the oldest. No, it is not Bhojpuri. I was knowing people will choose Bhojpuri because people there speak Bhojpuri. It is not correct. It is Maithili. If you follow Ramayana mein Mata Sita was from Mithila. Mithila is a place in some eastern section of Nepal. Okay? Janakpur, I guess. So at that time, Maithili was famous. So Maithili is that old, you can imagine. Maithili is one of the oldest language you can ever see. So Maithili is the third official language of Bihar. In fact, there was a movement in Nepal also to separate all those. In fact, in Bihar also to separate a separate state of Mithila, basically. All the Maithili speaking people to be separated. Right? I don't know, Pranav. Next one. So we have, obviously, Pritesh is in top 5. Ankita Vijay somehow again has made it to the top 5. I don't know how Pritesh and Ankita Vijay have stepped in top 5. Mithila is in Bihar, you can say, but its place where Mata Sita was born is in Nepal. Janakpur. Last. In which year, this is a history question, you should know this. In which year farmers in Champaran revolted against British for the conditions of indigo cultivation? If you remember, after this, no, Ashutosh. After this, Gandhiji went to Champaran, met Rajendra Prasad, he was imprisoned there, you know, all those. Yes, it was 1914 with the arrival of Mahatma Gandhi. You should know this. This was with the arrival of Mahatma Gandhi. Right? So that's interesting. So I gave you easy. I gave lot of gap in the options also. It was easy. Still people got it wrong. 10th ka history sab bhul gaye. So we have Varsha Shetar on top 3. Chaitra are on second, and on first we have Basu Reddy. Well played, Basu. Roadies and RCB Forever is in top 5. So I told you we'll get a totally different top 5 today. I was knowing this. Because when it comes to guess, nobody can guess who is the best guesser. When it comes to guess, nobody can guess who is the best guesser. Right? Chalo. Yes, Pritesh. True. Sure. So let's end this on a count of three. I'll do that also. I'll do every state of our country. I did it Bihar because Bihar mein elections are going on. So it was on my mind. How to become a best guesser? Nobody can become. It's luck. Yesterday, RCB won the match. I know that. RCB is almost qualified now. We'll do that, Adesh. Quantum quiz. I don't think the people can even answer it. Ashutosh. I should do Kahoot on myself, kya? I think no. Chalo, we'll see if we get time. Chalo guys, so you can leave. Have a good day ahead and study well for your exams. Enjoy the festival and yeah, keep enjoying. Vijeta, you still didn't tell me where are the dragons? Ah, got it, Abhishek. Yes, Vijeta. Where have they gone? Shopping. Chalo. Obviously shopping. What they're shopping and for whom they're shopping. They can't shop for themselves. If they go to the shop, they will not buy things from shop. They'll burn the shop and come. Chalo, chalo. Take care, all of you. Keep feeding your dragons. Chalo, let's end this, guys. Have a good day ahead and may God bless you all. अच्छा था कल का मैच प्रथम. It was good.